How to make a lot more money working a lot less harder than you are today. Hey everybody, Stacy Ruska, your Get It Done marketing champion with today's marketing quick win, which is raise your prices. Look, if you want to make more money, but not work as hard to do it, you need to raise your prices. When clients come to me, one of the first questions I'll ask is, what is your biggest marketing challenge? And you know what many of them say? I'm not making the money that I should be making. And so I'll ask the common question, well, what are you charging? And too many of them are on the way lower end of the spectrum for the value that they are providing. So what if you could raise your prices? What would it do to your business? I had a client that had put together a training program. So much time and effort went into this, and they were only charging $49. I was like, we're going to follow the marketing quick win. Raise your prices. Now, to do this, you got to start in here. Really, it can start with this head trash. Oh, I can't charge that. People won't pay that. And if you're having that head trash, then you definitely need to be part of my coaching and mastermind group. Because when you raise your prices, you become something for someone. And when you are able to solve that person's specific problem, price is out of the equation. So looping back to this client, we raised them tenfold from $49 to $490. And so they were serving less people, but making more money. And they were better able to serve those customers. Look, you don't want to be the quickest one to the bottom of the pricing scale. Cheaper is not better. Actually, do the opposite. Raise your prices a lot. You'll have more money in your bank account and more loyal customers, clients, and patients who will value you for it because you are providing them exactly what they want. What do you think of this marketing quick win? You can get more of them by visiting gidmarketing.com/quick wins. I'm Stacy Ruska, your Get It Done marketing specialist, here to help you ditch the CEO title, Chief Everything Officer, so that you can get your marketing into action. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, you're the CEO of a growing company, the Chief Everything Officer. And as your company grows, you're probably realizing that everything is a lot. There's a secret to simplifying your life as Chief Everything Officer: getting your marketing to work for you. When you hire Get It Done Marketing to take care of your needs, you're not a slave to social media. You aren't staring at a blank screen when it comes to creating content. You don't have to worry what emails to send out when or to whom. You're not stressing about what your next campaign will be or biting your fingernails about your brand reputation. If you want to do what you do best, then let us take care of the rest at Get It Done Marketing. It's time to get your marketing into action. Are you ready?